Okay, children, very good. The other day we discussed the fourth exercise, fourth Roman number on page number 77. Hope you all have completed it. Just once again I will read for your verification. Check that. Page number 77, fourth exercise. In yesterday's competition, the prizes by the principal. Here, passive structure. As I told you, there should be a be form in front of the main verb. So here we use word, prizes plural, word given away. Give, gave, given. Were given away. In spite of financial difficulties, the laborers dash on time. As here time is not mentioned, I mean past time, future time, we can take it as present time, are paid. In spite of financial difficulties, the laborers are paid on time. For example, if they give last year, paid on time last year, then were paid. But here as time is not mentioned, on time only they said, yes, are paid. So B form are, pay, paid, paid. On Republic Day, vehicles dash not allowed beyond this point. So Republic Day means every Republic Day, generalized it is also. So are not allowed. Vehicles plural are not allowed. Second hand books dash on the pavement every Saturday. Every Saturday also says that it is present simple tense. Every Saturday. So are bought and sold. Verb third form we use. Before that we use a be form. So as is a plural, subject is in plural number, we use are, buy, bought, sell, sold, sold. So are bought and sold. Our national anthem dash Rabindranath Tagore. Past, somewhere it happened. Fifth one, elections to the Lok Sabha dash every 5 years. So this is also recurring action, every 5 years. So we use present simple tense, are held. Hold, held, held. So here B form we use are held. And our national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. That means past action. He composed it long ago. So it's past action. The national anthem was composed. Okay. Next. The paragraph, I asked you to read it, complete it yesterday. Hope you completed. I will explain, just check your answers, children. Yeah. Nari Contractor was the captain and an opening batsman for India in the 1960s. So in the first sentence it is clearly given 1960s. That means present time or past time? Say loud. Past time. Very good. The Indian cricket team went on a tour to the West Indies in 1962. In a match against Barbados in Bridgetown, Nari Contractor seriously injured and collapsed. What should be there? B form should be there in passive voice. What B form? Nari Contractor. It's the name of the player. So, singular, Nari Contractor singular, was seriously injured and collapsed. Injure and collapse, we use the third form of these two verbs. Because in passive voice, we use always past participle of the form of the verb preceded by a B form. B form is compulsory in passive voice. You all know that. Next. In those days, helmets not wear. So again passive voice, third form of the verb, wear, wore, worn. So B form should be there. Helmets, plural number. So plural B form, were, plural B form, past time, that we should not forget. Helmets were not worn, were, wore, worn. Helmets were not worn. Contractor dash hit on the head by a bouncer from Charlie Griffith. Contractor hit. What are the three forms of hit? Hit. Three forms are alike. Same. So contractor, singular, past B form, was hit. on the head. Contractor's skull was fractured. Fracture, third form. Fracture, fractured, fractured, was fractured, and the entire team deeply concerned. Concern, third form of the verb. Concerned, concerned, concerned. Was deeply concerned. B form should be there. Without B form, we cannot make passive voice. So, before main verb, there should be a B form depending on the tense. If it is present, am, is, or, past, was, were, future will be, shall be, like that we use based on the tense. Next, the West Indies players so here he said not passive form all. Were worried, generally we don't say. The West Indies players worried about it. Worried. Need not of contractor's skull. See, children, I got doubt. Contractor's skull. Here also, I think passive structure is not required. Contractor's skull fractured. So, need not was fractured. Okay. It fractured. Here also, the entire team was deeply concerned. The West Indies players worried. Contractor, here we use passive structure. Was rushed. Contractor was rushed to hospital. Accompany. Here it should be passive structure. Accompanied. Very good. He was accompanied. He was accompanied by Frank Worrell, the captain of the West Indies team. Next, blood donate. Was donated. Very good. Blood singular number. Donate, third form, donated. Was donated by many players. Thanks to the timely help, contractor. So here also contractor, not he saved, he was saved. Was saved. Nowadays helmets. Nowadays helmets. Nowadays helmets were routinely used or are routinely used? See, nowadays అసలు అది ఎప్పటిదో కథ అయిపోయింది. అప్పట్లో హెల్మెట్ పెట్టినవాళ్ళు కాదు. నవేడేస్ దే ఆర్ రొటీన్లీ యూజ్డ్. హెల్మెట్స్ ఆర్ రొటీన్లీ యూజ్డ్. సో present time, now we are talking that sense we should have. So time mentioned, nowadays, time phrase is there, na? Yes. Second one. So here children, remember, you are asked not to use passive voice everywhere. The heading is, use the correct form of the verb. Either active or passive. Okay. When do we use passive? Generally, when the action mentioned in the sentence is not done by the subject, I mean the doer. Doer of the action is different. So, subject is not doing the action. Then we use passive voice. So, the action is done by the object of the sentence. Okay. Next. Oil from seeds. Vegetable oils. Just check tense. Did they mention any past time there? Every time, whenever oil is made. So, oils are made. So, you should be thorough with the three forms of the verbs, children. I already gave you a video with 105 irregular verbs. You just watch it repeatedly. You need not learn it intentionally sitting for some time. Just watch it every day or now and then. They will be fixed in your mind permanently. Next. Vegetable oils are made from seeds and fruits of many plants growing all over the world, from tiny sesame seeds to big, juicy coconuts. Oil is produced because somebody else produces oil, but the subject is oil. It is produced by somebody else. So passive voice. Oil is produced from cotton seeds, groundnuts, soya beans, and sunflower seeds. Olive oil is used, very good, is used for cooking, salad, dressing, etc. Salad dressing. Olives. Shaken. Olives, plural number. Olives shaken or shaken from the trees and gathered up. They are shaken from the trees and gathered up, usually by hand. The olives ground, or ground. The olives are ground to a thick paste which is spread onto special mats. Then the mats are layered up. Layered up ante poral ga pettam. Layered up on the pressing machine which will gently squeeze them to produce olive oil. Okay, children? So these are the two paragraphs. Next one, dictation, that we can do when you all people come here. We can do that part of the textbook. And here is the speaking task. All of you try at home. Those who are attending the classes from home. You two people, tomorrow you can talk about this. What is the topic? Here is the topic for you to think about, give your opinion on. Find out what other people think about it. Ask your friends, seniors, parents to give you their opinion. So you can take opinion from your parents, friends, relatives, neighbors, like that. What is the topic? Career building is the only goal of education. So you have to speak these children. So why do you come to school every day? Why are you getting educated? What is the purpose of education? Why should all have education? Is it only for career? Only for livelihood? Only to get a job? Is this the purpose of education? Think of. You get some inputs from your parents, friends, neighbors, relatives, cousins. Okay, but you have to talk. Tomorrow you have to tell about it. You have to tell your opinion. Why should we study? Is it only to get a job or for any other purpose? Or another topic is also given. Getting a good job is more important than being a good human being. So what is the life of goal for every person? What is the goal in life? When you are growing up, you should get a good job, or you should have a good career. You should be running a good business so that you can earn more and more money every year, so that you lead a comfortable life. Generally, this is the purpose. Every parent or every child, many children think of that IIT coaching, NEET coaching, like that they go. What is the purpose? If you study in a prestigious IIT, definitely you will have a bright career. That's why many parents dream that getting a good job is more important than being a good human. Which is important? Getting a good job or living like a good human being? What is important? Which is important for you? For example, being a good human being. That is very, very important. Of course, getting a good job is also important, but of these two, that is important. So, on any one of these two topics, Two topics are given. On any one of these two topics, you people tomorrow you can speak. I can record and post for your friends, and your friends will record at home and send by tomorrow. In the classroom, I will show your recording to these two. Only two people came here. See, we have only, this is Aditya, Chandraditya, and Mahesh, and I. See, one teacher, two students. But you are all attending the class, virtual class from home. So you record your response and send. All must send by tomorrow. Okay, children?